Have you ever felt like something, some invisible force, something that you don't know even what is holding you back? But what if I tell you that the only thing is standing between you and the life that you desire is you? What if that invisible chain that is holding you back weren't even yours to begin with? We tell ourselves stories of the past. We carry the past like a weight on our shoulder, and we are convinced that the past can define us. I had that childhood, so I can be this. I was raised this way, so I can change. I have lots of responsibilities, so I can choose differently. The brain is wired for survival, not for happiness. It repeats the same pattern over and over until we decide to break it. Neuroscience and epigenetics show that we inherited emotional patterns from generations long before us. But the truth is, yes, we inherited pain, we inherited fear and emotions. But at the same point, we have to ask ourselves, am I going to carry it forward? Or am I going to be the one who is going to break this cycle? Think about it. How many times have you stopped yourself before you even try? How many times have you whispered, I can't, before even the word had the chance to tell you, try it, maybe? Most of the walls in our lives are walls we build ourselves. We say we can't because of society, responsibilities, the expectations placed on us. But the truth, we are the one we never gave ourselves permission to change. So are we going to break this pattern? Are we going to start all over and write a new story finally? Because no one is coming to save me. No one is going to hand me the new life. I'm the author of my own life, and I have to write it. So it's the same for you. No one is going to hand you a new life. The moment that you decide to break this pattern and take a pen and paper and finally start a new chapter, that's when you understand that the story that you were telling yourself is not you. It doesn't define you. You can rewrite it. Take the pen and paper, start to write what is exactly the life that you desire. Stop telling yourself the story of I can't, because you can. Write it down. Choose 10 minutes of the life that you desire. Add it to your daily life. You can break that wall by adding just 10 minutes of the life that you desire. Little by little, break by break, and step by step. So write it. Write down your new story. Open a new chapter in your life. Your past is not what defines you. You are the one that is going to break the chain of the pain and fear of the generation that you inherited. You are not the one who's going to pass to the next generation. You're going to open a new chapter for the next generation.